So now we're going to try and connect this to a remote PC. So that's my lab view just working as normal on this PC. Just pop over to my neighbours. A bit of an audience in here. Right, so this is on my friend's network. And there we go. That doesn't seem to have given control, it just seems to be viewing, so I'm going to try the browser, see if that works. So that's in browser now, and you can see that that's giving control of the sensors, well, the output, sorry. Little bit of delay. If you do it up the road on the same network, it's more or less instant, but you can see there's a slight delay from turning the knob to the gauge reflecting it.